This is Dr. Daniel Paull, orthopedic doc with Easy Orthopedics, and today we're going to talk about Anatomy 101. What's the difference between muscles, tendons, and ligaments? If you like this video, we put out new content weekly, so please like and subscribe. So I'm just going to cut to the chase. This is not going to be a long video. So muscles, we all know we have muscles, we feel them. What's the primary function of muscles? They move the bones, okay? And so, all right, let's say you had a bone and you put a muscle on a bone. Well, how are you going to move it? You can't just move it by the muscle sitting on top of the bone. The muscle only does really one thing, it contracts. So what you do is you put a tether at the end of that muscle and you attach it to the bone so that when the muscle contracts, it pulls the bone. That's called the tendon. So the tendon is where the muscle attaches to the bone. It's not sort of red and meaty. It kind of looks white and glistening if you actually look at one, like, you know, if you're doing surgery or whatnot. And that's what a difference between a tendon and a muscle. Tendon is part of the muscle. Muscles usually the whole thing, or you can consider the red meaty part. Tendon, the tether that attaches the bones to the muscle, can actually do something. A ligament is not connected to any muscles at all. It just connects bone to bone, right? So you got two bones in the knee joint. You don't want them bopping around or anything like that. Like, you know, you don't want them like knocking around. So you put a strap from like one side of the bone to the other and a strap from the other side of the bone to the other. Those are your MCL and LCL. Again, ligaments just bone to bone. You got other ones, PCLs, ACLs. You got them in the elbow, ankle. You got them all over the place. But again, ligaments just bone to bone. So to summarize, muscle, the red meaty part; tendon, the part attached to that muscle that helps the bone move, like the tether; ligaments, bone to bone when there's space in between to hold essentially joints. So I hope I was able to answer your questions about some basic anatomy concepts, difference between muscles, tendons, and bone, muscles, tendons, and ligaments. If you have any questions I didn't answer, feel free to leave them in the comments below, and I'll do my best to respond. But I can't give you any specific medical advice over YouTube because this video and all my videos are for educational purposes only. Thanks for watching.